Hey guys, it's Melanie. Welcome back. Hope your day is off to a fantastic start. It has been a little while since I have shared a typical morning and evening skincare routine with all of you, but I figured let's do that today and tomorrow. Today's video will feature a typical morning skincare routine. I do typically change it up throughout the week. I like to use my acids in the morning. So usually that is either tranexamic acid, mandelic, lactic, azelaic acid. It's obviously really important if you are using an acid on your face, especially during the daytime, that you are using an SPF. This is the one I'm currently using. It is linked in the description box down below. In fact, everything that I am sharing in today's video will also be listed and linked in the description box down below. Tomorrow, I will share my evening skincare routine, so obviously make sure you are subscribed. That way that pops up in your subscription feed. But yeah, I'm excited to share this with you. It is a routine that has worked quite well for me. If you are new to my channel, you should probably know what my skin type is before I get into using these products so that what I'm using maybe makes sense. I am in my mid-40s, I'm 45. I have oily skin still. It's not overly oily anymore, but it's definitely still oily. I tend to deal with enlarged pores, so sebaceous filaments, blackheads are the things that I tend to watch out for, and that is what I will typically use those acids to kind of prevent. I am big on niacinamide. Love niacinamide. It is one of the amazing ingredients that has really changed my skin for the better. And if you are also someone with enlarged pores, you should definitely be incorporating that into your routine. But yeah, I try to make sure that I keep my skin hydrated. I try to make sure that I am gentle when I am applying my products. And I also make sure to take my products from the top of my large forehead all the way down onto my chest as well. I believe in treating this whole area with skincare. Don't ignore your neck, don't ignore your chest. Those are two areas on your body that will definitely show your age very quickly if you're not treating those areas. So always make sure that you bring everything down. But yeah, this video should be pretty self-explanatory. I'm gonna take you guys into the bathroom and we're gonna dive through the morning routine, and then we'll wrap it up. Again, make sure that you are subscribed. That way you're notified of tomorrow's evening skincare routine. And as always, let me know if you have questions in the comments down below. So let's get into it. All right, so let's get to it. First thing I'm gonna do is put on a lip oil. This one here is the City Beauty City Lips Night Oil. I don't just use this at night. I actually love this all throughout the day. And then because I am doing red light therapy pretty much every morning at this point, the first thing I'm gonna do is put on my Isntree Green Tea Fresh Toner. I will link all of this stuff for you guys down below. I have just been buying this off of Amazon. It's available there. But I just take a few drops of that into the palm of my hand, and I'm just gonna spread that out and then press that into my skin, my face and my neck. I even put it over my eyes here. Obviously be careful not to get it in your eyes. Now, I don't always do the green tea fresh serum along with the toner, but I'm gonna do that today. So just gonna take a little bit of that, again, into the palm of my hand. Ooh, I'm running low. Looks like I'll be placing an order for more of this here. So I take about that much. It's kind of a lot because I'm using it again on my face as well as my neck. So I just distribute it between my hands here, and then I'm gonna press that into my skin. I love the way that this stuff feels. It's so soothing. It's a little bit hydrating as well, so. I bring everything down. Normally I'm doing this in my towel, so it's a little bit easier, but yeah, figured I'd get dressed for you today. Anyway, all right, I'm gonna go and do my red light therapy, so let's get to that. All right, sorry about the absolutely atrocious lighting in this part of the video, but it is what it is. So what I'm gonna do is take my Mito Pro red light device, and I'm just sitting in the chair that's in the corner of my room here. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on, and I'm going to hit red light along with infrared, so hit that mode button one more time, and I am gonna do 10 minutes. So got that set there, and then I'm just gonna hit okay. No, I don't use goggles. I just keep my eyes closed. This is literally how I've been doing it ever since I received this device several years ago. I have zero problems with my vision. So anyway, I'm just gonna hit okay, and then I'm going to hold this. I like to get comfy in this chair. I don't find this to be uncomfortable at all. So yeah, let's hop to it. Oh, there it is. Okay. Oh, hi, buddy. Ooh, okay. Ooh, ow. Buddy, you're killing me. Okay, hold on. All right. Oh, hold on. We have my assistant has arrived, so let me get him settled. I'm gonna finish this red light therapy session here, and then we'll head back into the bathroom for the rest of the routine. All right, so my trusty assistant Alf and I enjoyed a little 10-minute red light therapy session, and now it's time to finish my morning routine. So as someone who has oily skin, I don't mind using heavier moisturizers in the evening before going to bed. However, in the morning, I prefer lighter layers to hydrate my skin. I'm big on hydration despite having oily skin, because I have found that over the years that has helped to balance my oily skin a little bit. So if you are still trying to dry your oily skin out, I would recommend not doing that. It's actually better to hydrate your skin. So first thing I'm gonna do is take my Osmotics Cosmeceuticals Blue Copper 5 Cooling Moisture Mist. I think this product is actually discontinued, but anyway, I'm still gonna use it. So this sprayer is a little bit aggressive, so I like to spray this into the palm of my hand, just like I did with the green tea toner, and I'm going to, again, press that into my skin. Again, I bring everything down. Just kind of pat that until it's mostly absorbed into my skin. I try to pat, but sometimes, you know, I'll just rub a little bit, but I know you're not supposed to. I'm not really tugging on my skin ever, so I feel like it's fine. Okay, I don't need this, but I'm just trying to use it up. So I'm going to take a few pumps of the Glow Recipe Plum Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Again, I don't need this, but I'm just trying to finish it up. So I'm gonna take a couple of pumps. Now, see, it's nearing the end, so that's good. Take a little bit more. And that seems like a lot, but also, again, we have a larger surface area, so I'm gonna distribute that. And then, once again, press into the skin. With this, I'm gonna rub just a little bit. Not tugging. Do be gentle with your skin. Feels weird talking while I'm doing this. Okay, so I just kind of plow through and get everything on there. Everything seems to absorb pretty quickly into my skin, so I don't feel like I'm left with like a bunch of products sitting on top of my skin. The next thing I'm gonna do is take my beloved Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum, and I'm gonna do, ooh, I think I'm nearing the end of this as well. So I did about like two and a half pumps, something like that. And again, press into the skin. All right, and I always put the excess on my hands. Next thing I'm going to do is take the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops. I love this stuff, you guys. This is fabulous. So this I mostly just use on my face. So I'm just gonna do like a pump and like a quarter. And then I'm gonna take my beloved Paula's Choice Niacinamide 20% treatment. I like to mix this in with this. I prefer a higher concentration of niacinamide. So I just give this a little bit of a boost. So, oh, am I almost done with this? Yeah, oh, just about, okay. So just a couple drops, should be plenty. And I'm going to mix that up. And then distribute. And then just work that into my skin. Any that's left, I'll just put on my neck. But I mostly just focus this one on my face. Feels a little sticky for like a minute, but then that goes away very quickly. I really make sure I focus around my nose. That's where I have my largest pores, and the niacinamide really has been so good for my enlarged pores. They look so much better. All right, at this point, I'm gonna go in with my eye cream. I'm using the Strivectin Hyaluronic Tripeptide Gel Cream for Eyes. You can actually find this at Costco. Even at Costco online, it's much cheaper there. So if you have a Costco membership, definitely check that out. And I'm just gonna put on my ring finger, and as long as I'm not tugging, I don't always pat underneath the eyes either. Get a little bit more. See the other eye. I'm not nearly as puffy this morning, which is kind of nice. I've had some puffy under eyes, and Alf is at my feet, so the snoring that you're hearing, it's from the dog. He is my constant companion. I also like to take this around the upper part of my orbital bone here as well. All right, and then the last thing that I want to do is take the Skin Fix Barrier Triple Lipid Collagen Activating Serum, and I'm going to be putting this just on my neck and on my chest. So take about 2-3 pumps of that. And we're going to work that into my chest and my neck. All right, and then put that on the backs of my hands, and that's pretty much it. I'm gonna head into my room where I usually film. I keep my SPF in there, and I'm gonna put on these Summer Fridays mineral SPF that I've been using. It's linked down below, so check that out if you're interested. But yeah, that's it for a typical morning routine right now. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in for today's video. Make sure that you are subscribed, and that way you'll be notified of tomorrow's video, which is going to be of my current average evening skincare routine. Let me know if you have any questions. I appreciate you being here, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Toodaloo.